Hello. So this application called Cancel Delete Scrap Order will allow you to cancel and delete your scrap orders. So for that, what we need to do is that we have to give the user setting rights first. So we will go to settings, we will go to users, and we will give the user rights. So under this user, we will enable a new option over here called cancel or delete scrap. Once enabled, this user will be able to delete or cancel the scrap orders. So once that is enabled, you can save this. Once that is saved, let's go to inventory. Under inventory, under operations, we'll be able to see scrap. So under scrap, you'll be able to see your scrap orders. You can see these are in done stage right now. You can also select all and mass cancel this, or you can also do individual orders. So if I want to just order or cancel this particular order, I can either select from here and cancel this, or I can even go to this particular order and use the cancel button here. So once it's cancelled, you can set this to draft, make any changes if you wish to, and validate this again. So if you want to delete this, now this is in the done stage. If you want to delete this, I won't be able to delete this. So the default system doesn't allow you to delete a scrap order that is in the done stage. So this application comes in handy at that time. So what you can do is that you can cancel this order and then you can use the delete option and delete the scrap order. So you can see our scrap order has been deleted. You can also do the same from the action from here as well, but as you can see, it doesn't allow you to do so. So you can cancel this and then you can select this again and delete this. So this is how the application works. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.